Hey, everyone! Welcome back to iTech Aspirant. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download VMware Workstation Pro completely free on your computer. Open a browser and go to the official VMware website. Scroll down and click on VMware Workstation Pro Download. Register for a VMware account or log in if you already have one. I already have an account, so I just log in. Enter the username and password you set up during registration. When you log into the page, you'll be directed to the dashboard first. Search for VMware Workstation Pro in the search bar and press Enter. Now, click on the link below. Scroll down. Here, you can see the link to the latest version of VMware Workstation Pro available for download under the References section. Click the link. Click on VMware Workstation Pro for personal use to proceed with the download. Click on the latest version of VMware. Click on the download button next to the appropriate version. Your download will start. I've already downloaded it, so I won't be downloading it again. After the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder in File Explorer to find your file. Double-click on VMware Workstation. Click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. Click Next to proceed. Click Next after each step. Select VMware Workstation for personal use and click Continue. Click Finish. After the installation, go to the Windows search bar and type VMware Workstation Pro to find the application. Here is your VMware Workstation Pro home screen, where you can start creating and managing virtual machines. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.